If you understand few points here, you can be totally free from your memories. You will be totally free from your memories, psychological memories, that which is a dead thing, gone. It is not there now. Past. It's a dead thing. It is not true. It can never be true. Memories are not true. What is truth? Truth is alive, fresh, new. Truth is life. Memory is persistence of which is there no more, which is no more there. It is just a persistence of which is no more. If you live in memory, that means you are living in a ghost world. It is continuous, but you are in a prison. Remember, memory creates a knot in you, not in the consciousness. Memory creates a complex in you. That complex is called I, that is ego. It is natural that false entity is always afraid of death. Continuously it is afraid of death because it is false entity, continuously afraid of death. If you identify with that entity or ego, you are afraid of new. The afraid of new comes only identifying with our memory, the memory that is ego. That I, that ego has fear. You are not afraid. The ego is afraid. You are not. Really, you are not. Your being has no fear. Ego has fear. Ego is afraid of dying. Why it is afraid of dying? Because it is artificial. It is arbitrary. It is imposed. It is cultivated. It has no root, no base, no foundation. That is why there is a fear. It is just, it is all put together. It is like any moment it can fall apart. If new enters, the ego is afraid because it may fall apart. Somehow it is managing, it has been managing to keep itself intact, to keep itself as one piece, to keep itself together. But if some new thing comes, means it's a shattering thing for ego. That is why people, they don't accept new with joy, because they can't take it, they can't take new. It's a shattering thing because ego feels it may fall apart. Ego cannot accept its own death. Ego cannot accept and enjoy its own death. How can it accept its own death? How can it enjoy its own death? Only unless you understand I am not ego, only then you can accept that. Only then you accept the new. You can receive the new. It is a realization. You should know, you should realize, you should see that memory is not you. Your ego is your memory. Your memory, your past is ego. Memory is not you. Ego is not you. Memory is only a bio-computer It is only a pattern. It is only, if you want, you can use that memory. If it is a lesson to learn, it is utilitarian. Memory is just a shadow. It is not real. It is there, but it is not there. It is only an appearance. But you are beyond. That is a real understanding. If you understand this, you will be free from your memories. That is freeing from totally karmas. It is freeing from the karma chakra.